parking lot, pussy. Semper Fi, put 'em up, I'm ready for a fight. These First Amendment rights are guaranteed to me regardless if I say shit you don't like. So every night I grab that mic, I spit shit just for spite. If I can put some buttons, what the fuck
Hi, sorry about my office. It's like,
So this is Sergeant Correa.
hi, come on
Brian
in.
Correa.
Come on in. Correa.
Correa.
Roll the R's.
Correa.
Have a seat.
So this is just a fraction of our group, and so I just wanted to introduce you guys and introduce them to you.
Yes.
So he's a, if you come here and you have a problem.
I'm with court liaison. What I do is I just coordinate the officers to come in and just show up whenever they're called to
Put out
to court.
fires?
Yeah. Well, not put out fires. I'm more just for coordination of the court and stuff. That's all.
But definitely
I
he's a
get to wear the
police-
costume and stuff. So.
Definitely
the first one I ever heard.
definitely he's a police supervisor, and he's not a retired
For
person.
certain things. Okay, let me just get with
Hey, how
it.
you doing? Free Garcia. Nice to meet you.
Oh,
Nice to meet you,
okay,
sir.
well, good.
Hi, I'm Free Garcia.
Hi,
Hi.
How you doing?
Sir. Good to see you.
Are you here to see us?
Yes.
Oh, okay. What's going on?
So I understand y'all went
You're who?
to, I'm the court clerk here.
Court clerk. Okay.
Yes. So you went to record in the courtroom, is that correct?
Well, we understand that the judge doesn't want us to record in there. We also understand that you could obtain permission, but all my requests have been denied. The judge has stated when I was in there before, and of course when he's in there, that the issue is that people have not given consent. Our stance on that is that it's a public hearing, it's open to the public, it's not a closed courtroom, and of course the judge could close it for cause, but that's not being done. And so people don't have a reasonable expectation of privacy in a public setting. So that would be the argument against that. But even going further, if we just wanted to respect that part, it would be a simple matter of camera out of the courtroom. It's time for me to go up to the bench. I walk up there. Nobody else's hearing is taking place but mine. I record. I'm done. Camera out of the courtroom. And I think that would be in line with what the judge wants.
Okay. So let me, I'll talk to the judge to see if she's willing to do that.
And that wouldn't be a situation where she's saying you can't record.
Right.
That would be just a situation where she's saying, I don't want anything else recorded but yours.
Sure.
And we can respect that.
Sure. So generally speaking, the judges will determine, what they're in charge of their courtroom, right? They can
Sure.
control their courtroom in any way possible.
Absolutely.
They decide. So we'd always have to do discretion. Of course, in the public area. So
There will be no disruption. There will be no recording other than the individual's interaction.
let me ask the judge about those specific requests like that.
Can we agree not to put the judge's face?
Yeah, you can talk to the prosecutor.
may not even have to go.
Yeah.
Could we agree not to put the judge's face? Are you okay with that?
I'm not. I say if they're public officials and they have the right to be recorded, the only reason that they don't want to be recorded is because they have malicious intent.
Okay.
And I have seen it with prior history in the district
So the
court.
answer-
So
yeah.
I want to be able to record.
So the answer is no.
No.
Just in
Yeah.
case the judge wants to.
I want to be able to record my issue because she's a public official, and if she wants to go ahead and stand by this decision of not allowing for public accountability, then by all means we'll see how the public community feels about that. But I'm here to handle my issue today, and I need to be able to handle it so I can get on with my day. And I don't even know why we're discussing what can or cannot be recorded in a public area.
Trial,
So
right?
that's
This is the arraignment setting, right? So
that's an assumption, but okay.
yeah, I'm just assuming because that's your right. And so typically what happens is you'll talk to a prosecutor, and then you can discuss that with the prosecutor, your case, and then if you can't reach any agreement, then they'll give you a trial setting. So there's lots of times when you plead not guilty, there's no need to see a judge. You just go straight to a trial setting. So you're more than welcome to do that if you wish. One of two ways. I mean, there's always a prosecutor here. You can go talk to that prosecutor and tell them what your situation is, and then take it from there.
Okay, yeah, that I guess.
Yeah.
I just showed up, was
Right,
told,
right,
to
'cause-
go in there.
right,
and
right.
I went and I sat in there, and then all this happened. So I'm still
Sure.
trying to find out, what's going on. So just go in there, meet with the prosecutor, and see, what's going on with
Yeah,
the
you have your
allegations.
case number, you have like a citation, that sort of.
No, I came here on the 24th, and they said nothing was filed, and they never sent me any information for the case number or anything of that
So
sort.
is it, so,
I went, I checked in, she said go to court 4. I don't know if there's anything that's been filed, what the case number or anything of that
oh,
sort
so you
is.
didn't know that, okay.
Yeah, no, I went there, she took my ID, she said, okay, go to court 4. Okay, so I go to court 4, and then he kicked me out, told me to come over here, and then that's where all this started.
Okay.
So I don't have any
So
case number,
you-
any allegation,
So
information, nothing.
why'd you show up today then?
Because when I was arrested,
This was your court date?
yes.
Okay. Okay. Do you have an ID?
Yeah.
I can look it up to make sure that it is filed. If not,
I already checked on mine,
it's not filed. What about yours? Yours is filed? Is it set for today?
yeah, you can look it up.
We'll make sure, because if not, then
Okay.
nothing you can do. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Violence if I record in there.
Well, we're asking you not to record in there.
And I'm asking you to let me record in there. Well, I'm not asking you to let me record, and I'm telling you that I'm going to record in there. I have business that they forced me to come handle. These are frivolous allegations.
And they're going to be addressed today, sir.
Well, I've been here trying to address them, but the whole issue that's been being addressed is the fact that you guys are being held accountable with the camera.
No, I think again, it goes back to the judge has control of the courtroom. So,
Well, the judge doesn't have control over me. I have yet to see any evidence satisfying that. I'm simply just asking what will happen if I go in there and I'm recording to handle my business.
okay, I'll ask this particular judge if he allowed recording, and if not, then I'm going to tell you not to record, sir.
Again, you're not answering the question. What will happen if I do record in there?
I'm not going to answer that question, sir.
So you're not
I will
going to tell
you-
me?
I'm going to tell you this. I'm going to ask the judge if he'll allow you to record in there. And if he says no, then you're not allowed to record in there, sir.
Okay, but I'm
You
still
can file
going
a
to
complaint,
record.
You can file a complaint. You can do whatever you want to do.
But I'm still going to record. What are you going to do if I'm still recording?
Okay, let me go ask the judge to allow it first, okay?
Okay. You're doing things right, but when they, impede, it's... Yes, sir.
Let's go talk inside there, sir.
Okay. Well, he's wanting to come in here.
I'm gonna confer inside here.
Okay, but it can't be recording.
Okay, well, I'd like to speak with you.
Yeah, we can confer here.
Okay, by all means.
You gotta turn off the camera, sir.
Well,
I'm telling you, I'm getting order judges.
Well, he's wanting me in there. So are you overruling him, or is he pulling me in there?
He's the one in charge here, the judges.
Okay, well,
Taking
then
orders
if the judge doesn't want me in there, then have the prosecution come out here so we can speak. If he's gonna go and run in a corner, that shows very professional attitude.
He's speaking with the judge.
Yeah, we'll go confer in a court over here.
And why do we have to go confer in multiple different places?
Run for re-election one other time.
Yes. Sir, get out.
He's pulling me around. I'm supposed to be talking with him, but he's running from court to
I'm gonna confer
court.
with you in a courtroom, sir.
Okay, well, then let's confer. What do you got?
Let's go outside with the recorder, please.
Well, I need to speak with the prosecution. There's absolutely no one in here, and I'm done wasting time.
Can you come over here with me too, sir?
If you guys are gonna confirm here, then I'm gonna step out until you either resolve it or.
Okay, well, you can, what did you want to do with your cases? How do you want to plead?
Well, I'd like to see what evidence you have.
What do you want to plead?
Well, I'm trying to see what evidence you have.
So
I'd like to make an informed plea. Do I have that right?
you can go ahead and go to
room 131, and you can ask him for whatever documentation we have.
Well, I'm asking you if you have any evidence satisfying your burden of proof. Sir? I thought we were trying to confer. Are you just like walking around now? Like, this is a very professional. Is that what Harvard Law taught you? Is this how you act professional? Can we discuss on an adult level the matters that need to be handled today? Sir, can we discuss matters that need to be handled here today?
You can check in with her to go speak to the judge, sir.
Well, I need to speak with the prosecution. Are you the one that's prosecuting the case?
No, sir. Actually, I'm not.
Okay, well, what prosecutor is prosecuting the case?
I don't know. Go look at room 131.
And who are you again?
Go to room 131.
I've already been to room 131. They're of no help.
Okay.
You're supposed to be the one that I see that has some help, sir.
What do you want to plead on these cases, sir?
I'd like to see the evidence. I'd like to see some evidence, and I'd like to talk to the one that's actually going to be prosecuting. I'm not going to run the risk of perjuring myself by making an uninformed plea.
Okay. Well, you can go ahead and check in with her.
I've already checked in with her. She says
She'll
you're
check
supposed
you
to
in
be
to
with
speak
her.
to the judge. You actually don't plead to a prosecutor, sir. So you can
Then
go
why are
ahead
you
and check in with
then why are you trying to get me to plea?
her. And he'll go ahead and check in with you.
Could you? They're telling me that you're the one I'm supposed to be speaking to, sir. Can you stop running away so we can speak? Like, is that a problem? Can we please be professional about this? You're just gonna go run into a corner, right? Thought so.